In a night sky, we can see a lot of tiny bright dots. We called it in a name stars and moon. We are not going to talk about moon. So, what is stars? And how do they born? Hello friends, this is BJ, you are watching my channel, Minute Science. Let's get into video. Stars are basically a giant fireballs. Mostly, stars are formed by a cloud of hydrogen and dust particles. There are a lot of clouds of dust out there on space, but in a large area. By the action of external forces, such as explosion of other stars, these clouds are getting compressed and pulling together, due to attraction force among particles. After a lot of thousands of years of compression, it will start to burn. Early stage of star known as protostar, this stage has same pulling strength, while it is rotating and also increasing in temperature. The temperature can raise up to 10 million degrees Celsius. You may ask, how the star starts to rotate? That's simple, as earlier we spoke, attraction force among particles cause collision. Due to the collision force of particles, it start to spin. In the core of a star, the fusion of hydrogen into helium releases a lot of heat energy. And now it formed as a complete star. Every star has a lifespan around 10 billion years. During this lifespan it has various stages such as clouds of dust, protostar, star, red giant, supernova, neutron star or a black hole. And the interesting fact is, it will take a star to visible on Earth after a few thousand years. What? But how? We will see in next video. Have any doubts? Leave it in the comment section below. If you find this information useful, give me a thumbs up. For more videos, subscribe my channel. Thank you.